remember that you are not alone in this battle.
I hope someday we get that love that we deserve.
Learn how to say no. I-prioritize mo kung ano yung important for you.
You don't have to feel bad for expressing your feelings.
Surround yourself in a community where you're being empowered.
While you're looking for the right or the healthy environment, make sure that you are also the right environment for others.
Someone, somewhere, understands. Padayon lang. Abiyan. IKK Podcast, now streaming on Spotify. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at IKK Podcast.
Kamusta mga abyan? My name is Vane. Welcome to IKK Podcast. This episode is powered by Voice by Love Yourself.
Hello! Hello mga abyan, hello mga listeners, hello mga lovers, hello everything in between. Charot.
Bago.
Yan. So my name is Rhea. Welcome to IKK Podcast. Charot.
Binasan.
Hello! 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 It's me again, Harry Go. And hello ulit mga abyan, mga lovers, mga kaharot, mga ka-Pokemon, mga kakwentuhan, mga kasparty at mga kapuyat. Magandang araw, gabi sa inyong lahat. Hello everyone!
May bigote ka na.
That's true. Ilang buwan lang tayo nawala.
Ganun talaga,
Nagkabigote ka na.
ganun talaga pag matagal nawawala, nagiging balikbayan.
Saan bansa ka
Galing Saudi.
Ba't wala kang
Saudi.
gold? May requirement.
Wala na, syempre nasa
Tingnan
bahay na
ganito.
tayo. Nasa bahay na tayo.
Pokemon
Na isang
Go.
lakon na, naubos na agad yung pera.
I miss you guys. It's been, ilan ba? 2 years. It's been more than 2 since our last episode kasi maaga tayong nag-holiday break last year. Kala mo naman talaga deserve magpahinga. Pero dahil
Wow.
sa sunod-sunod na events ng December, we had to. Ngayon, 2025 na, 2 buwan pa lang ang nakalipas pero ang dami nang nangyari. May nag-declare na 2 lang yung genders. May na-impeach na sa House of Representatives. Deserve. With all these things happening around us, kamusta kayong dalawa?
Nagbuntong hininga na lang. Sino ang una?
Wala, okay lang. Charot. Ganun lang, okay lang.
Malungkot siya. Bakit?
Nice
Malungkot
naman, nice
siya.
naman.
Libusog kasi ako.
Tangin mo. Buti pa siya galing dinner. Ikaw, H, kamusta ka? Parang walang updates sa'yo.
Wala masyado.
Ay,
Busy
true.
lang sa trabaho. Oo, busy lang tayo sa trabaho. Busy lang sa personal life. Ganyan. And all that
Ay, pero may
jazz.
time mag-volunteer kasi nakita kami nung nakaraan.
Yes, correct. That's part of personal life. Yes. So, yeah. Busy
The
lang tayo
best-
mag-volunteer.
The best ka talaga in terms of time management.
Hindi
Riel
naman.
Hagoriles could never.
Uy!
Excuse me.
Okay, daan ka na. So, the reason I asked kung kamusta kayo with a lot of things happening kasi ang pag-uusapan natin this episode is pagbabalance. Pagbabalance sa balance beam.
Diba?
Pagbabalance.
Chelsea Manalo ba ito?
Paano ka despite the things you have on your plate. So balancing things sa mga buhay-buhay natin kasi maliban sa work, mahirap man paniwalaan, may buhay rin tayo.
Yes.
True.
And for sure, yung listeners natin can relate when we talk about yung work-life balance at sa atin as volunteers ng isang NGO, ng Love Yourself, parang part na rin ng regular routine natin ang pagbalanse ng mga bagay-bagay sa ating buhay. Di ba?
Yes, lalo ko na H. Charot. May galit.
Hoy,
Sa dami
ba't
ng
may pag-call out?
affiliations mo kasi, parang ikaw dapat ang guest today.
Welcome to
Wow!
Ayun nga. Pero since
Personal.
nandito ka lang din naman, nag-imbita tayo ng makakasama natin para pag-usapan yung balance. Parang need ko mag-take
Mm.
note talaga sa episode na to.
dapat. So
True
with
naman.
us, well, may mga ano tayo, panauhing pandangal. So with us
True.
today, a registered nurse and a duly accredited safety officer 3, the overall events head of Love Yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the one and only, the only one, JJ Simbula.
Woo!
Hello po.
Hello.
Magandang umaga, magandang gabi.
Kamusta ka naman, Jay?
Ano?
Ang lalim nun ah.
Ang lalim din.
Ah,
Para
very
dami
excited pala.
sabihin tonight.
All good naman so far. Pero surviving. Yan, surviving.
Survive.
Nice.
And also with us is a teacher by profession and a virtual assistant sa isang legal firm. Yes, sure. Representing the Volunteers Academy. Mix Love Yourself 2023 first runner-up and
Wow.
the social media star. Tama ba? Star, yun ba yung name
Make
ng
social
award?
media.
Mix
Oo.
social media. Oo.
Dun si Rian.
Star for all seasons.
Ang nagbabalik sa podcast, Santi. Alday.
Hello po mga kabiyan.
Alday.
Okay.
Masaya ako nakabalik muli dito.
My God.
Suke.
Ata yung last. Parang siya yung nag-kick off ng ano yun? Yung tayo
2024
yes,
for
feature tayo ng Mix Love Yourself. Royals.
yes.
Yes.
Kamusta ka na? Bakit parang handa ka siya?
Sino ba yan?
Buo siya,
Hindi,
ma.
pambahay ko lang to.
Buo siya.
Pambahay ko lang to. Wala akong makeup kasi nagpa-facial ako before,
Ay,
this is just my skin. Tsaka maraming
Wow.
filter.
love is
Pakita mo yung pakita mo muna sa kanila yung vase mo.
Ha? Maganda yung vase ko dito, ha? O, yan yung flower dun sa vase.
Ganda
Ayan,
ng flower.
Diba? Binigay ito ni Jowa.
Nice.
Tapos ito yung vase niya.
Oy.
Tama,
Dual
mali.
Very
Sounding.
fragile naman yung vase.
The vase na may sounding.
the sounding base.
Paano pag nabasa
I love it.
sa loob? Sa loob? Bakit sa loob?
Ibang klase ng lacerations yun.
So yun na nga, JJ, Santi. Chikan nyo naman sa amin kung ano yung mga pinagkakaabalahan nyo sa mga buhay-buhay. Sino man magsimula? Magtalambuhay dyan.
Hindi niya malaman kung
Santi.
sino mas busy. May mas busy pa ba sa kanya?
Maglilista
Unahin niya
tayo.
mas busy, si JJ. Mas busy yan sa
Sige.
akin.
Doon tayo sa mas busy. Simulan natin sa mas busy.
Okay. Sige, alright, sige. So, sorry, anong tanong?
Chika nyo
Sabaw
lang. Chika
Okay.
mo lang kung ano yung mga pinagkakaabalan mo ngayon sa buhay.
Ayan. So ngayon, as mentioned ni Vane kanina, I'm currently working for IBM, an IT company. And I'm supporting lahat ng sites namin within the Philippines. So we have 7 sites. 4 dito sa Manila. Ay, hindi, tama ba? 5 dito sa Manila and then 2 provincial, Cebu and Naga. Aside from that, I'm also handling Korea. So yes, annyeonghaseyo. And yun yung main task ko. Ang main task ko is isa akong safety officer dito sa IBM. So I manage and support the business and make sure the business is compliant to occupational safety and health regulations. So kapag may mga DOLE inspectors, RA 11058, yung mga, if you're familiar sa nangyari kay Eddie Garcia, di ba, na-aksidente siya doon. So kaya naging mahigpit ang DOLE because of that. Naging strict yung implementation. Yung workers' compensation, accident reporting, hazard identification, risk assessment. So yun yung main task ko. Pero aside from that, apart from that, my heart still has space for some. Aside from Love Yourself, I'm also one of the co-leads for ASEAN and Korea Business Resource Group. So I know you're familiar naman sa mga business resource group sa company, di ba? So I'm co-leads for EAGLE. Ito yung LGBT community ni IBM. And also persons with diverse abilities. So I'm one of the co-leads for PWDA. So for HBRG, may kanya kaming pillar. Pero since my work is inclined into compliance, so ang work ko is to create policies and program na directly makakatulong, supporting sa mga employees who are part of the community and who are persons with diverse abilities. So yon. And, love yourself as events head. Yun lang. Konti lang. Sakto lang.
Konti nga
pa
lang.
yun.
Konti lang ginagawa niya, sabi sa
Yeah,
inyo.
konti-konti nga,
Sobrang
no?
konti. Dami niyang free time.
Kalain mo yun.
Parang kayang additional.
Kaya niya pa mag-handle ng 5 businesses.
Oo.
Hoy!
Tataro.
Parang pinakinggan ko pa lang yun, napagod na ako. Parang as a tamad na person, parang hindi ko kaya yun. Paano mo yung kinakaya?
Ang tawag dito, nag-start kasi ako sa work ko sa construction. So, I'm a nurse by profession. Nag-hospital ako for a year. Pero, nag-stop ako kasi renal nurse ako. So, specialized nurse ako. Trained and certified renal nurse ako sa dialysis. Tapos, tinamad ako. Sabi nung pinsan ko, wala kang ginagawa, no? Kasi nasa bahay lang ako. Sabi ko, wala. Sige, pasok kita sa construction kasi engineer siya. So when I started, wala akong kaalam-alam. Alam ko, yung pasyente na pumapasok sa ospital, gagamutin. Pero pagdating doon, nasa klinik ako, kapag may nasugatan, ang tanong ko, saan po kayo nasugatan? And then, jargons. Wala akong maintindihan kasi construction. Frameworks, biga. So nangyari, ayun, nagpakabibo. Ayun, naging safety ako. So, naging dual yung role ko, safety and nurse, hanggang sa nawala na nag-iba ako ng path. From nurse, naging safety person na ako. Been with construction for 7 to 8 years. Ayan. Tapos, naging stagnant na, wala nang challenge. Kaya ako napunta kay IBM. Pagdating naman kay IBM, board na board ako. Kasi puro documents and papel and compliance lang. Kasi sa construction, kailangan mong akyatin yung building ng walang elevator every day. So, akyat baba. Kung 50 floors yan, akyatin mo yan every day. So, ganun yung ginagawa ko noon. Kaya medyo nasanay lang din siguro.
Grabe yan, from medical field to construction to IT company.
Wow.
What's next?
Housewife?
What's next for JJ?
It's time to settle down.
Pagod na ako. It's time na para magpahinga na. Ha? Charla. Hindi, no? Papahinga.
Ikaw, Sans.
Kamusta naman?
Ikaw, Teacher Santi.
Ako? Ay, okay naman ako. Teacher, gano'n. So, yung ginagawa ko naman now, I am a legal assistant sa isang firm, an international firm. I support lawyers who are based in London. They are called professional support lawyers. So basically, yung ginagawa nila, they advise yung mga fee-earning lawyers on the trends of specific fields. Kasi parang medicine, may mga ano rin sila, like practice groups, let's say energy, construction, medicine, pharmacy rather. May mga ganun silang specializations din. So prior to moving here, kasi 1 year pa lang ako dito, I taught for 13 years. I have taught for 13 years. 9 of those nasa isang training agency ako, manpower agency, and I taught English to medical professionals like Riel na papunta ng US. So part of that is IELTS, the PTE, TOEFL. So I did that for 9 years. Tapos prior to that, I started with grade school and high school and college students. So yun talaga yung scope ko, training people. And then napagod ako with what I do kasi nga nakaka-burn out ang teaching at times. So I had to change my profession. And yeah, eto na, nasa legal firm na ako. And of course, love yourself.
Pero parang
Wow.
teaching talaga yung
Passion,
nasa
no?
core mo at saka yung passion mo. Kasi even sa Love Yourself, you teach people through Volunteers Academy.
Yes. So basically, yun yung isa mga ginagawa natin sa org. I help our training arm, the Volunteers Academy. Previously, it was called Love University. So I'm one of the deans or the pillars na pa-facilitate ng teaching ng ating learning, most especially to our new counselors. So that's what we do. Marami kaming pool ng mga trainers covering not only counseling but also HIV 101, so GSE. So dito ko na lang nilalabas yung skills na meron ako or kung ano mang natutunan ko with my profession.
So parang
Yeah.
basically, kayong dalawa talaga, you've been doing these things for a while na. Parang hindi na bago sa inyo mag-balance. Parang it's just part of a regular day na mag-volunteer, na do ng advocacy work from work or vice versa. Ganun.
Yeah.
So for sure, so for our listeners na struggling in terms of balancing work and other stuff, tulad ng pag-volunteer, pag-travel, pag-akyat ng bundok, or kung ano man yung mga trip nila sa buhay, ano yung mga best practices niyo na maybe our listeners can consider to also try and see what works for them?
Mauna ako kasi nauna si JJ kanina. Maraming sabihin niya kasi mas matagal siya sa akin sa org.
Oy!
Paksaan.
True. So I've been with Love Yourself since 2021, just to give a quick background. So November of 2021. Tapos na punta ako sa position na nasaan ako ngayon in 2024, last year lang din. So yung balance ng work, paano mo siya nagagawa, it's not an overnight thing na figure out mo na agad. It took a lot of trial and error to know what works for me. Kasi most especially with my shift, kasi mid-shift ako, and our trainings are commonly starting at the morning. So basically, I had to adjust. So part of niyan, syempre bubudulin mo yung mga kasakapwa mo volunteer. Sila tsaka yung mga organizers namin, hapon ako darating, late ako. Mauna kayo. Lagay niyo ako sa gitna. Ganun talaga. So what works for me then? Pero kidding aside, I know how to prioritize which tasks at hand. So halimbawa, yan, kapag weekends, ahead of time nagno-notice na kami, we'll have these trainings na ganitong panahon. Naka-block na yun sa akin. Nang sa ganun, I don't accept other commitments, other engagements with friends. Para sa ganun, napafocus ko din siya. And importante din for me na minsan mag-tap out with volunteering in my work. So sometimes I say no, and it's okay. And it's definitely fine for us to say no kung may mga ganong offers. Kasi we wanna preserve ourselves, we wanna enjoy life. Kasi syempre, work din naman yung volunteer action na ginagawa natin. So with that, number one, yung pinaprioritize ko, and then number two, I know how to say no, nagpo-push back din ako with stuff that I don't wanna commit on. Kasi kakain siya ng oras, ng panahon, and ng energy. And of course, you want to focus on other aspects of your life, like your family, your friends, na nandun. And of course, right now, may partner. So, binibigyan mo na siya ng oras. Ayun.
So bakit kailangan sabihin yung partner? Are you insinuating
Oh,
something? Parang strike to ka na nga. Kanina si
mayabang
Vane.
ka
Labas ako
doon.
dyan.
Ano ba?
Versusan
Mayabang ka sa
pala to.
partner.
Hindi nyo naman sinabi, versusan pala dito.
Hard launch mo yan dito.
Sa true.
So sa mga daming nangyayari sa buhay mo, I mean, with the things na kailangan
Mm.
mong, kumbaga, schedule, personally, ikaw ba, do you have like, ano ba yung strategy mo? Strategy. Meron ka bang notes? Do you have like a board sa bahay nyo na parang kailangan nakikita mo siya to know
Mm.
kung ano yung mga ganaps mo to make sure na you don't miss anything despite sa pagiging tight.
May
Guys, sure.
Ay, wow! No, nakakatulong yung calendar method. Hindi lang to sa para sa mga babaeng ay mabuntis muna, nag-iingat, 'di ba? Na definitely responsible with pregnancy. Effective din to sa mga bakalang katulad ko na kalad ka rin. So, definitely kapag nandiyan na yan, binablock ko na siya sa calendar ko and it helps. Hindi it works kasi yung phone mo, it's always with you.
Mhm.
Before it was planners, may
Mhm.
calendars. But right now, I use na yung phone's calendar. Nagsisync naman siya with my email. So basically, everything na activity namin, nandoon lahat. And of course, nakatulong din siguro na added factor yung trabaho ko. Kasi ang taas ng usage namin with calendars. So basically, we know how to prioritize work, alin na to, and schedule nakikita agad namin. So before I say yes to an engagement or to an event, chinecheck ko muna yon. Binabalikan ko yung mga tao. For example, si JJ, magkasabi siya sa akin, available ka ba ng ganitong araw? Tapos, nakita ko may event, ay check ko anong oras yung event, baka kaya ko siyang i-squeeze in. Pero kapag hindi talaga, I'm honest na, okay, ay hindi talaga pwede, it won't work for me.
Mhm.
Yan siya.
Nice. Calendar method. Patake note, Rhea.
Ay, versus.
Ako talaga.
Call out!
Ikaw, Jay.
Harapan pala to. Ayan. Siguro ako on my end, I'll be honest kasi, well, technically, I have two calendars. One is for work and one is with Love Yourself. And alam niyo naman, sa dami na nangyayari, sa dami na nakikita niyong post, we are trying a new strategy kasi for events, for MOF. We are trying to plan ahead at least 3 months before the event. So bukas, may meeting na kami for Pride Night. So ganun siya ka soon yung preparation namin. So that's one. Pero personally, siguro sabi ko nga as a person na naging independent since college, and ngayon ko na lang to na-realize, it's not work-life balance for me yung nag-work. Kasi for me, hindi ko talaga siya kayang i-balance. Work-life balance. What is happening to me is work-life integration. So, I was able to integrate my work, my volunteerism, and my self-care kapag nag-work ako. If you'll see my desk, meron akong external, tapos I'm working on my laptop, nakabukas yung TV. So, all three monitors, sabay-sabay yan. And kapag isa lang siya, hindi ako nakakapagtrabaho. Sa isang monitor, 2 page pa yan. Isang PDF at saka isang Word. So, ganun, hindi ko alam. Feeling ko talaga kailangan ko magpa-assess. Pero, yeah, that's how I work when it comes to work, when it comes to love yourself, and when it comes to volunteerism. Kasi, even yung mga BRGs namin, yung Business Resource Group, iba-ibang event yan. Nag-a-attend din kami ng different functions. Like next week, I'll be attending the quarterly meeting for PBDN. It's an NGO focusing on persons with diverse abilities. And IBM is a co-chair to doon. So, hindi lang siya within the organization and outside, but also personally. Pero, what also works for me, aside from that, is I don't say no. Unlike Santi, I don't say no. As much na kaya ko, ibibigay ko at gagawin ko. Pero kapag sa sarili ko, napapansin ko na eto, this is a perfect example, pandemic. So I was locked down dito sa Eastwood nung nag-pandemic for several months. And then dumating yung point wherein for 2 weeks, uma-attend na lang ako ng meeting. After meeting, check ng next schedule, tiklop ng laptop, higa. Sabi ko, ay, there's something wrong. May mali. Wala akong nagagawa. So, kapag nagkikita ko ng ganon, even for few days pa lang, na hihiga na ako, hindi na ako nakakapagtrabaho, I need to change my scenery. So that's the trigger for me to go home sa Pampanga, sa province, and be with nature, be with my dogs and my family. So that's how I somehow integrate everything else sa life ko.
So to our listeners, kung gusto nyo mangutang kay JJ kasi hindi siya nagno-no.
Doon tayo nag-go.
But I'm interested kasi you said you used two different calendars for Love Yourself and for your work. Paano siya nag-work? I mean, how do you make sure na you don't miss an event or you don't miss an activity, you don't miss a task if parang hindi sila magkasama in one calendar?
Ayan. So yes, that's correct. Magkaibang calendar pa to kaya mas medyo may challenge. What I do, ang main calendar ko is my work calendar. Yeah, tip. I don't put any work stuff sa phone. I did that before. Hindi na ako tumigil sa pagtatrabaho. So, na-realize ko na lang to siguro a few years back, nung nagkaroon ako ng additional na kasama sa team ng colleague ko. Pero kapag nag-leave ako, dala-dala ko yung laptop. May separation anxiety ako sa laptop. Kasi hindi ako pwedeng magbakasyon ng hindi nagtatrabaho. Pero I've learned to let go. Kaya simula nun, tinanggal ko rin yung email sa phone. Pati yung any means of communication sa phone. Ngayon, kung kailangan nyo ako at emergency, tawagan nyo ako sa WhatsApp. Ganun ako ngayon. So ang main calendar ko is my work calendar. So kapag nag-schedule ako ng Love Yourself schedule through, since Google tayo, sinasama ko yung email ko ng work para nagno-notify siya dun sa main calendar ko. Para kapag nakita kong, ay, bangga siya, i-adjust ko si Love Yourself. Kasi, volunteerism yon. Head ako ng isang committee. Pero, we need to also realize na nakakapag-volunteer ako because I'm doing good with my work. So, I also prioritize. So, syempre, I'm not saying I'm not prioritizing yung mga ganap sa Love Yourself. Pero, if it's my work time ako. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo din, lahat ng meetings ko with Love Yourself, 6 p.m. onwards yan. Kasi ang work time ko is around 9 or 10 a.m. hanggang 12 midnight. Pero, kasi mag-isa lang ako sa team. I'm an individual contributor for IBM Philippines and Korea. And we have 3 shifts, morning, mid, and night shift. So kung merong issue sa night shift, I need to stay up until 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. just to talk to that specific employee and manager and discuss how to address those concerns. So ganun siya. Pero hindi naman siya regularly ganun. There are times. And last, wala akong siniset ng meeting ng Monday at Friday. Only Tuesdays to Thursdays.
Tama. I can relate to walang meeting ng Monday and Friday.
May meeting ngayon.
Paano yun ngayon?
Hindi tayo.
Hindi ba kasama? Mali.
Hindi ko kasama.
Race.
I mean, kasi sa work kasi, pag Monday kasi mainit ang ulo ko, honestly. Hindi naman sa mainit kasi minsan kasi nagtatry akong IF, intermittent fasting. So, minsan din nagtatry din akong, syempre hindi tayo bumabata, 'di ba? So I need to somehow keep my my personal life and my health na okay. So, nagtatry ako magbawas ng kinakain. So, hindi ako kakain ng Sunday. Pagdating ng Monday, mainit ang ulo ko. So, hindi ako pwedeng mag-meeting. Di
Yung
ba?
subukan.
For the gutom pala.
Correct.
Pero talaga namang hashtag what works for you. Pero totoo yan. Pero ano yung mga volunteer habit na sana dali ng mga tao sa work? Meron ba kayong options for them na pwedeng i-provide?
Sige.
Ang ganda ng
I'll-
habit, wait lang. Ang ganda ng habit na wag ilagay sa phone yung work stuff.
It's number
Kasi
1.
hindi ka titigil sa pag-work, ganon. Ako kasi,
Yes.
may work stuff ako sa phone,
Totoo.
pero just to check kung mabubukayo na ba ako na hindi nag-work.
Di ba? Pero still, you're working. Kasi
Correct.
True.
meron kang may application ka, may tool ka sa phone. So, if talagang
Ibuburahin
urgent,
ko na ngayon.
di ba? Yun. Number 1, you need to set your priorities. Di ba? As a volunteer, we have our own different priorities. Pero, syempre, your work should be at kung hindi man number 1, number 2 man lang, di ba? Sa priorities mo. Kasi you won't be doing any kind of volunteerism or anything that makes you happy, your passion, kung somehow struggling ka rin sa buhay mo. Di ba? So, yeah. So,
Kaya pala ganun.
Tama naman. Pero totoo yun. Kasi kung struggling ka in your life, parang wala ka ng time for other aspects like volunteering, ganun. So, di ba?
So parang ang yabang mo dyan kasi kakaano mo lang, kakaravan mo lang. Feeling mo ano ka na, hindi ka struggling in life. Parang ako dapat ang role
Pero-
model yung lahat.
pero,
Magsalita
Grabe
lang.
naman, walang ganun.
Pero we also need to,
shout out dun sa mga nakasama ko sa caravan. Ang gagaling nila, in fairness.
ay, kakatapos mo lang ba? Pero just to add on that, kasi based from my chikahan, alam niyo naman yan, sa mga event, late night, kwentuhan, Santi, di ba? There are also volunteers that finds safe space in going to different functions ni Love Yourself. So we also need to acknowledge that. Pero what I'm trying to say is that kung somehow struggling ka, you need to make sure na you know how to make it.
Mm.
Kasi kung pupunta ka doon, struggling ka, tapos mag-vent out ka pa rin ng mga, that's okay, di ba? May safe space ka. Pero if you won't help yourself, paano ka matutulungan din ng ibang tao? It should come from yourself. Yan.
Ikaw, Sans, ano yung volunteer habit that you wish dalhin ng mga tao sa work?
Oh, okay. Number 1, you have to advocate for yourself. We're advocating for others, yes. Pero it's also important for us to make sure, nabanggit ni JJ kanina, that we do self-care. That we are able to preserve ourselves para makapag-continue tayo. That's why it's also important for us to listen to our bodies. If nagkakasakit na tayo because we don't have any time for rest, or maybe nakakompromise na yung other factors of our life, maybe our family, our personal relationships, then we have to reflect and take a step back. It's not a shameful thing to do na maging advocate para ng sarili natin. Kasi walang iba mag-advocate for us ng ganong katindi except us. Tayo lang ang nakakaalam nung best na pwede natin gawin to continue with what we do. Kasi with volunteering naman, pwede ka magpahinga indefinitely. And kapag ready ka na ulit, then i-welcome ka niyan with open arms again. Kasi yung ibang tao, I know, kapag nag-umpisa tayo talagang kara-kara, lagare eh. But in the long run, yung ano na yun, kapag tuloy-tuloy ka, may burnout pa rin siya because you have your work, you have other factors na pinabalance. So it's important that you're able to know na mag-slow down, magpahinga, nang sa ganun, matuloy-tuloy mo siya. Kasi iba rin talaga kapag dumating ka sa point of burnout, kakalimutan mo lahat. And even your job will be affected. Kaya yun siguro yung isang importanteng part of volunteer habit that I have learned to develop. Kasi nung nag-uumpisa, talagang masayang-masaya ako na halos linggo-linggo. But in time, nagpe-pace ka na. You learn how to pace yourself. And napifigure mo na which timing, which schedules work best dun sa meron ka. Ayun.
I agree. Parang yun talaga kasi lagi yung nare-remind sa volunteers na if you need to take rest, go
Mhm.
lang. Okay lang yan. And I think personally, that's also something na parang nadala ko din sa work. Habit ko na parang, no, kapag rest day ko, walang work. Pag tapos na ang shift, mamatay kayo diyang lahat sa work. Bye.
Tama.
Pasabi kay Gerald Riel.
Uy,
Hoy! May pagpangalan. Okay.
may pag-name names.
Pagod na siya sa work. Work siya ng work.
Sa trip.
So, kung ako may question. Kung gagawa kayo ng starter pack para sa mga nakikinig sa atin na nagbabalance ng work and volunteering, tulad ng volunteering, ano yung magiging laman ng starter pack ng ating taong gusto magbalanse ng work at sa
Daman
buhay nila?
lubes. Check.
Prep.
Yep. Okay. And mauna si Santi. Yeah.
Starter pack number 1, siguro, um, maraming pasensya. Maraming oras muna. Yun yung
Patience.
yun talaga yung starter pack eh. Marami ka dapat oras. Because, para siyang pag-apply ng trabaho, kapag nag-umpisa ka, there will be a lot of trainings, a lot of preparations for you. So basically, you have to anticipate that these things will also happen. Kasi, paano yung gagawin mo dito? Hindi naman pwedeng, hi po, hello, anong gagawin mo? So, basically, there will be calibrations, there will be trainings at hand na yun yung pag-umpisa. Pangalawa, of course, I think it's also important that you know how to maximize your tools, most especially your phone, to communicate with everyone, to make sure that you are able to manage your schedule much better. Nang sa ganun, nababalance mo din yung life. And yung huli siguro with volunteering, matibay na atay. Kasi maraming pagkain. Yun kasi, at the end of the day, sa isang
Hindi lang
event, sa isang
pagkain.
hub, ayoko sa akin manggaling yung word na yon. Kasi pagkatapos ng event, or ng isang operations, pag-volunteer natin sa hubs, uh, automatic may pagkain. And we
Pagkain
partake,
and
yeah.
Are you sure kung may pagkain na automatic ah?
May tubig.
Yes.
may
Perfect.
drink. May drink. Basta may
May
drink.
drinks. Okay, that's the
Saka may
word,
tea.
drinks.
Saka maraming tea.
Maraming tsaa din.
Ooh,
So,
tsaa.
so we partake in a banquet. So, yun talaga. It's like a tradition for us to make sure na may kwento tayo, that we are able to bond with our fellow volunteers. Kaya, ihanda mo talaga yung atay mo. Ang daming tumaba sa pag-volunteer. Kasi ginawa talaga nilang, kalapag lagi ka na sa event, tapos puyat. Yeah. Masaya siya, kasi yun yung nangyayari. Kaya kailangan na matibay na atay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
ang laman ng starter pack ni Santi ay patience, communication, and atay.
Liver.
Handang atay, gano'n. Kasi kailangan handa yung atay.
SGOT.
Okay.
Matibay na atay.
Di ba yung atay?
Okay. Ibaba-grade natin yan si JJ kung anong laman ng kanyang starter
Ano
pack.
naman yung starter pack ni JJ?
Ang number 1 na starter pack ko nawawala. Nawala yan nung weekend, Santi.
Hala.
Yung fountain na inhaler.
Ibalik nyo na.
Inhaler!
So,
Yung parang
nananawagan po
Bushan.
ako sa mga kasama
Anong
namin.
kwento? Ba't nawala?
Kung sino man po ang nakakuha, pakibalik po. May sentimental value po yon.
Tama naman.
Grabe
Bakit
naman.
naman nagpapakilala sa inhaler?
Ha, di ba? Pero alam mo, very effective yon. Kasi it's 2025, imbis na uminit ang ulo natin, isang singhot mo lang, kakalma ka na. Di ba?
Ooh.
May alam din ako iba na sinisinghot na kumakalma yung iba.
Hoy!
Ay!
Kulay, minsan yellow, minsan red, minsan black.
Pang
Hindi
ibang
Wala
ko
season
alam
yan
yun.
ng IKK.
Ay,
Pero,
mag-season yun.
ibang season yun.
Hindi dito yan.
Mali!
Oo.
Mali.
Nakatapos lang yata nung isang fan. Ay! Char. Anyway, kidding aside, ang starter pack ko is yourself. Kasi we always tell this to people, to volunteers. I always tell this to people, volunteers who are struggling and having some difficulties, challenges. Bakit ka ba nandito? Kakainis yung pagbigay ng years, Santi I've been with Love Yourself since 2014. 11 years. 11 years. 11 years with events. 11 years with events. So,
Wow.
di ba? Paano? Kanya-kanya pa rin eh. It's still the person's decision. It's still your paano ba? Choices kung paano mo haharapin. Kasi kahit na lahat tayo volunteer, you'll meet different people na with different personalities. Di ba? So, you need to be ready. Kailangan ikaw mismo alam mo kung sino ka at bakit ka pumapasok sa pinapasukan mo. Or else, kapag pinaasa ka na, ginose ka na, mawawala ka na. Di ba? So, that's number 1. Number 2, kapag kilala mo na yung sarili mo, syempre ready ka na. Ready ka na to commit yourself. Kapag kinumit mo yung sarili mo, kasama na dyan yung oras mo. Kasama din dyan yung tiwala mo dun sa mga taong nakakasama mo. But then again, hindi mo yan magagawa kung ikaw sa sarili mo may mga binabagabag ka ng anything, or it's okay na pumasok ka with Love Yourself na you're trying to find yourself. That's okay. Pero again, maraming different personalities. Baka mas lalo kang mawala or mag-struggle. So, if you found those people or group of people that would make you feel safe, make you feel comfortable, kahit na magpuksaan kayo, umaga, tanghali, gabi, pero they lift you up. Meron kasi mga puksaan na sometimes people bring you down talaga. Not sometimes. People brings you down eh. Pero may mga puksaan na they lift you up. Kasi they are seeing something in you na konting push lang, baka kailangan lang niya ng konting tok-tok para magising siya. So yun, number 1 is yourself, number 2 is commitment. Then the rest would follow. Tsaka yung hongtay. Balik po.
Yes. So ang laman ng kanyang starter pack ay yourself, commitment, at
And
inhaler.
Hong Tai.
Or anything na pwedeng put in. Pero, wait, I have a question. 11 years is a long time. Interested lang ako to know. Was there a point sa loob ng 11 years na yun? Nasaan ako? Sorry. Was there a point sa 11 years na yun? Was there a point na parang you felt na you wanna let go of the events? I mean, you can stay naman with Love Yourself, diba? As a volunteer, without really having to hold the position that you currently have. May point ba sa 11 years na yun na parang, ay, ako na, kayo na to.
I'm not necessarily ayoko na. But that situation calls for it kasi I've been with, yun nga, Live Love Yourself since 2014 as the logistic lead ni Kiko. So, alam niyo na yan, pag logistic, ayaw man natin, pero ako talaga yung runner, utusan, di ba? And I make the production alive. Ako yung naghahanap ng ganito, ganyan, nagbibigay ng ganito, ganyan. Pero, pandemic happened. 'di ba? So, hindi na kailangan ng on-site activities. Naging virtual tayo. So, hindi na ako kinailangan. And that's okay. Kasi during that time naman, mas kinailangan ako ng work. So, parang I didn't feel na, ay, ano na, virtual na, hindi na nila ako kailangan. So parang mag-self-pity ako. Nag-ano siya, naging tuloy-tuloy siya. Nawala ako kay Love Yourself kasi nag-virtual tayo. Pero mas kinailangan ako dun sa work, which binigay ko yung self ko. Kaya naging okay din siya. And yun nga, fortunately, bumalik ulit tayo. Ayan na, nangyari, naging head. Pero, um, I enjoy events. Biruin nyo, gumagawa ako ng sash. Nasa construction ako.
Wow.
Sash ng Miss Love Yourself, ah. Yung kasi, nag-start kami sa event with zero budget. FYI po.
Wow.
So, yung sash, crowns, kami lahat nag-aano niyan. Kami yung gumagawa ng paraan para magkaroon yan. So, nasa office ako, makikita niyo yung mga red sash, nilalagyan ko yun ng glue, tas glitters. Kasi lalagyan ko ng pangalan ng ano yan, tawag dito, ng batch name. Tapos yun yung gagamitin nila on the day. So, it started with that. And since nakita ko yung sarili ko, masaya ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ako napapagod. Nawawalan ako ng boses, pero hindi ako napapagod. Kasi, ang, ang, ang sa akin, masaya ako kapag nakikita ko masaya yung mga tao. Kapag nalalasing ko kayo. Kapag nalalasing kayo. Di ba? Kasi, ang saya lang. Parang people would stay up until 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Bakit? Kasi they're enjoying the company of each other. Di ba? Yun lang yung akin. Very simple lang yung akin kung bakit ako nagstay and bakit ako nagsistay and bakit hindi ako masyadong napapagod. Ang nakakatawa, just recently, kaya wala akong boses, nagkasakit ako kasi wala akong ginagawa. So, wala akong ginagawa. Tinangkaso ko, nilagnat ako. Kasi December, di ba, nag-stop na. So, January, wala kami talagang ginagawa for events. Ngayong February na lang. So, doon ako nagkasakit. So, di ba? So, sabi ng katawan ko, huy, hindi ikaw yan. Umano ka, kumalma ka. So, ayan, balik ulit tayo sa events.
Ang galing.
Okay. Nag-take note
True
na ako dun
naman.
sa starter packs. Wow.
At ang pinaka-importante, ibalik niyo po yung inhaler ni JJ.
Kaya
Yes.
nga.
Pero may suspect ako. Karen, paki-PM na lang ako, ha?
Oh my God. Meaning dropping.
May pag-name drop.
Ayan
Hindi,
na.
hindi mo papangalanan until proven guilty.
Pakitag po si Karen pag pinost nyo to sa FYOL, ah.
Ayan. So, syempre, sa lahat ng experiences natin, may mga bago tayong natututunan. Kayo, ano yung mga biggest skill na natutunan nyo sa pagiging volunteer na nakatulong sa work nyo, na willing kayong i-share?
Mauna na ako, Jay. Sige, nag-iisip siya. Siguro sa akin, it strengthened my knowledge about what we advocate for. Most especially with sexual health. Mas to me, and gender education. Kasi mas naging timely siya and relevant. Yes, on brand. Naging timely siya and relevant because people are now more interested with these topics. And kapag ganon, nagiging conversation starter siya, not only with my colleagues but also with my superiors. So nagiging mas madali na i-discuss because I'm more confident with discussing these matters to them. Mas madaling i-share, mas madaling i-educate. Kung may questions sila, I already know I'm equipped with the information. Siguro number 2, mas tumibay, mas napagtibay nito yung people, skills ko. Because naging counselor ako, I have dealt with a number of volunteers. Mas okay sa akin, mas maayos yung pakikipag-usap, small talks, which definitely helped with the work that I do. Kasi hindi rin naman comfortable talking to other people, to strangers, And when you have that avenue to develop these skills that you have, definitely mas nagiging okay ka with the work that you do. Siguro last, yung time management. Mas naging matibay din with volunteering. Hindi madali na tumanggap ng isa pang labahin kapag may major labahin ka na. So, yung pagta-time manage na yon nakatulong siya because it teaches one to prioritize which work or which tasks are definitely urgent, or definitely should be the top priority in your list. So, yun siguro yung mga natutunan ko yung tatlong yon with volunteering.
Okay.
I mean, pero totoong-totoo yan, Swiss. Kasi ako ang dami ko ding natutunan personally. Hindi seryoso, ganito lang ako, pero ang dami ko natutunan.
Parang hindi nagre-reflect
Parang-
sa life.
Parang hindi ako sure doon.
Diba?
Ala, grabe sila. Ayoko
One.
na.
Versus one. Dalawang
Ay, ikaw, Jay, ano yung sa'yo?
Actually, napapaisip ako kasi sobrang magkaiba ako sa work and sa love yourself. Kasi if you'll see me in the office, my work is black and white because it's compliance, it's standards, it's policies. So, ako yung tipo ng tao dito na kapag kinausap mo ko, kung ano man lang sabihin ko, are those sets of standards. Hindi ako pwedeng magkaroon ng gray area. Where in fact, kabaligtaran naman, o hindi naman sa pero sa love yourself kasi, very light. I think, siguro, I think one na pwede kong i-mention was my events management skills. Kasi nadala ko siya sa work. Kasi I'm also handling campaigns na for IBM. So we have different signature events, and kung hindi dahil doon, hindi dahil sa pag-events ko since 2014, I won't be able to have those skills na from brainstorming to planning to implementation to budgeting and all. So yun.
Yung mga taga-events talaga, grabe yung versatility nyo sa mga bagay-bagay nyo. Kaya nyo versusin lahat. Sana
Ano
all.
yan?
At parang
Inabudoy naman.
parang ibang
Kaya
pag-versus.
naman.
Parang iba yun.
Iba
Kaya
ba
ko.
yung nakarating sa inyo? O sabihin na lang natin, just take the wheel.
Oo. Off the record natin sasabihin yun.
Oo. Char!
Ay, nako. Pero ang dami niyo nang na-share. Kung iaano natin yung lahat ng mga abilities nyo to balance work and volunteering, tapos ita-translate natin into meme. Meme. Ano yung,
Viral. meme.
yeah, viral meme. Very pang anong question to. Ano yung meme na yon at bakit?
First Santi, sobrang Latina.
Hindi. Yung sa akin yung meme na kumalat ni Ma Salvador. Yung sandali! Yung nakabunganga siya.
Oo.
Dali!
Dali!
Yung talaga.
Yung sa ano yun,
Kasi-
diba? Sa Wildflower. Tama ba?
Sa Wildflower. Yung talaga yung
Wildflower.
meme. Kasi minsan hindi ko rin talaga mapigilan. Sabay-sabay. May nagkatrabaho ako. May tinatawag ako ni Ron Bugarin. May tinatanong siya, sandali!
Ang
Urgent
daming
pa yun.
nako-call out sa episode na to.
Diba? Sandali! Ayun. Ayun
Dami
talaga.
pinapangalanan, no?
Oo.
Tama lang.
Whistleblower episode talaga to. Hindi talaga work-life balance.
Correct. Parang tell your truth.
How about you,
Naghahanap pa si
JJ?
JJ.
Naghanap ka pa ng meme?
Hinahanap, kasi siya? Alam niyo ba yung bata na nakahawak sa merry-go-round na umiikot siya na nakasubsob?
Oo. Alam ko yun.
O, di ba? Natawa siya. Yun ako, pero lumalaban ako. Mamaya hanapin ko tapos isend ko sa inyo para ma-realize nyo kung bakit yon.
Magiging
Okay.
insert siya.
Oo. Ito ko search ako. Wait lang. Hanap ko. You go.
Oh, yan
Eh,
Yan,
kayo
lagay
age,
niya
kayo
sa
age. Kung yung ano, yung life, yung work-life balance translated into ano, alam ko na
Ikaw
yung
muna,
kailangan.
Riel.
Ano sa akin? Sige, go. Kung alam mo na.
Diyos ko po! Sa'yo talaga yun.
Si Fanny. Diyos
Or
ko
feeling
po,
ko yung
Diyos ko po.
feeling ko yung kay Riel doon, pwede yung yung si Marisa nagtatype sa harapan ng laptop, yung may bang siya, na
Ay, ako
gano'n.
yun.
Umiiyak siya sa harapan ng laptop. Pwede kay
Minsan
Riel.
ako yun. Minsan yun yung feeling ko. Very Maris. Ganun.
Iyak muna.
Ikaw, ano ka, Swiss?
Ikaw, Ben.
Andrea Brillantas ako. Hindi to
Oh.
totoo. Hindi to totoo.
Ayan. So, thank you, Jane Santi, for playing around with us. Invite your friends to visit Love Yourself Hubs.
Hi to our dear listeners. So, if you really want to have free HIV testing and counseling, please feel free to visit loveyourself.ph and select the nearest hub and most convenient to you. And our testing is free. Grab nyo lang po to. Definitely marami tayong hubs here in Metro Manila, and we also have one in Cebu. We have 2 now in Cebu and other places. So basically, check nyo lang po loveyourself.ph and visit our Instagram and Facebook pages.
Grabe naman
Alright.
yun. Ang hirap naman sundan nun. In English niya ako.
Very artista.
Oo. Ayan. So, thank you everyone for joining. Ay, nagpaalam.
Yun na yun.
Promote yung ating event, Jay.
Oh,
next week.
yes. Yes.
Yeah, so I want to invite everyone. Meron na po kaming teaser poster earlier. As you can see, we have our upcoming
Nakita namin.
coming Feb 15. It's called Love Game, a queer speed dating event. O, di ba?
Oh.
Ginawa namin yan kasi wala kaming jowa eh. So, doon talaga kami hahanap ng jowa.
Yan.
So, mangyayari po ito sa The Good Store. Hello, Mother Jeno. Thank you for having us, for partnering with events. And also, I want to invite everyone as well to visit our clinics, 'di ba? Ang dami nating bagong clinics ngayon. We have one in Boracay. Oh, malapit nang mag Holy Week. Yung mga magli Boracay, daan muna doon para magpa-testing. And also PrEP. Diyos mio Lord. Habang libre pa po. 'Di ba?
Uy.
Sa dami ng nangyayari ngayon, let's maximize the resources that we have. Ano pa ba? Yes. Plug ko na rin internally. Save the date po for Batch Diwata and Batch Kinara, Batch Connect this coming
Wow.
February 22.
Feb 22. Ay, bongga.
Feb 22, wait lang, ilagay natin sa calendar.
Paki-block na po yung calendar. So, magugustuhan nyo ang theme nila. Napakaganda. So, we'll post our teaser, save the date poster this coming week kasi 2 weeks na lang. Yes. And then, right after nun, excited na ba kayo lahat for Summer Camp 2025? Ang pinaka-inaabangang event ng
Ang
Love
juiciest
Yourself.
event of the year.
Yes,
Ginagawang Sparks Camp.
pakikat na lang po na walang Char. What happened in summer camp stays in summer
Stays in
camp.
summer camp.
Yes. And the
Yes.
biggest
Tama.
event that we have, not just Love Gala, is our Pride Night. So watch out, look
Nice.
out for those posters that we have. We're going big this year. How big?
God.
Big.
Last year was
6
big.
inches,
Today
8
is
inches.
Wow,
big.
bigger than last year? Nah, grabe naman.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll try to go bigger. Char. Ayan. Thank you po for having me.
Nice. Sobrang dami. Sobrang busy ng
Wait,
first half
pwede
pa
rin
lang
po,
yan.
oh.
Yan. Ay!
Yeah, meme ko yan. Sa
Pwede
office,
din.
Office
Yes.
yan, okay.
Yes,
Office
option.
meme. And thank you mga Abyan for listening to this episode. Share your thoughts about this episode through the comment section on YouTube and Spotify. And subscribe na din kayo sa YouTube channel namin and follow us on Spotify. Search na lang ang IKK Podcast. And on Instagram at IKK Podcast. Our personal accounts din, follow nyo at VainCredibleX, at Riel na Riel, and at Harwigo sa lahat ng mga social media platforms. At shout out nga pala sa ilan sa mga nating ka-avid Abyan. Brian Bariside, Alberto, Stopperdific, Dan Ventures, X Carl Sean, Ace, Archie, Otep, Wow, JR, Kevin, Jerishel, Kent and Raph, Jeremy, James Edward. Ayan, lagi yan. Lagi yan nakikinig.
Kaka-birthday niya lang.
Hoy, happy
Correct.
birthday, James Edward, Rex,
Yes,
and
oo nga
Lena.
pala.
Happy
Belated happy birthday.
By the way,
Yan.
pwede bang mag-greet lang din ako? I'd like
Sure.
to greet in advance our newest counselors na lalabas for
Yeah.
this season. So, this is my
Ay,
congratulatory
by the time
message
na
to you
lumabas
guys.
to.
Congratulations. Nakalabas na. So, congratulations sa
Yes,
inyo kung
yes,
sino man
yes.
kayo.
Congratulations.
Nalalabas sa Goblet of Fire. Congrats,
Ah,
guys.
Woo!
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Sana pumasa kayo lahat. Pero
Correct.
wag sumama ang loob kung hindi man tayo or magkaroon ng something. Marami pa pong committee.
Correct.
Diba?
That's true,
You can
that's
join
true.
PA. You can join Voice. You can join MOF.
And many
Correct.
more.
Correct. ICOMS pa
Kaya
pala.
nyo
tsaka
pa rin
ICOMS.
mapagod kahit hindi kayo mag-counsel.
Correct. And
Correct.
congratulations, James ulit. James is one of our new MOF program lead.
Ooh.
Diba,
Talaga,
VA?
congratulations.
Feeling ko dapat kasama si James dito.
Ang dami
Diba?
din niya, ang dami niyang committee. Nasa Voice din 'yan.
Yes. And also, congratulations to Francis Di Maano, our new Logistic Ministry of Fun head.
Wow.
Congrats.
Mga
Congrats.
nagsi-step up nating mga volunteers. Good job, good job.
Grabe. Ang galing,
That
galing.
only
Mga
says na may growth then outside work.
Diba? May
totoo,
skills.
totoo.
Going.
So 'yun. Mayora, thank you so much. Voice by Love Yourself, thank you din. Marami pang ibang mga kaabyan. Maraming salamat. Yun.
And
Thank
thanks
you.
to our audio engineer, Duke Gapod. And please, bumili na kayo ng Pinasahi tote bags. Kahit awa na lang sana. Check
Bakit may
out our...
please?
Nakakaawa.
Magbenta kayo sa Pride
Please
Night.
naman.
I go, Jay.
Yes.
Ulit yan.
For
Bibenta
sure.
ulit.
Oh.
Pero sana hindi na nalilate yung yung magbebenta.
Tsaka temp yung coffee.
Diba? Check
Post
out our
natin yung
February
tindahan.
designs on our Instagram at Pinasahi Bags. At thank you pala sa mga bumili na. Uy, ang dami naming nabenta for Feb.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes, ang dami
Nice,
bumili ng
nice.
Abel's Love Mission. Thank you po.
Congrats.
At tandaan, ang tagal din nagawa. Work gives you purpose, but volunteering gives you heart. Balance both and you'll find fulfillment. Padayon lang. Abyan.
Abyan.
So, pangalanan na ba natin?
Okay,
Thank you,
call out.
guys.
Karen, pakibalik yung Hongkai.